In front of me today, we're going to be looking at a brand new 2026 Excel tent trailer. These are relatively new trailers to us, but since we started carrying them, they are flying out the doors with their popularity. We carry three different models, the base, core, and the ultimate. The one we're going to be looking at today is the core, but I'll explain all the different models as I go through it. Starting at the very front with the core, you're going to get things such as this extra front storage pod. You also get undermount storage underneath the trailer, as well as a spare tire. The base is going to be stripped back from that, so you're not going to get a storage pod on the front, you're not going to have the undermount storage, and you're not going to have the spare tire. The ultimate will have even more bringings with that, so you get the storage pod, you get that undermount storage, you have another undermount storage in front of that tire, as well as two screen rooms. So you're going to have a 7-foot extension screen room on this side. That's going to give you a spot to sit inside, enjoy the weather. You're also going to have a 7-foot add-a room, so similar to the screen room, but you're going to have canvas walls rather than the screening. Inside the trailer itself, you have plenty of windows. All of these will fold down to give you that full screen look, or you can have the canvas style folded up. But as I've mentioned before, the core, we're just going to focus on this one now that I've explained all the other models we have. Excels are nice to us here at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel because they are Canadian made. These units are ultra lightweight. We have other units such as ProLights which are lightweight, but these come in at 330 pounds dry weight with a 33-pound tongue weight. That means not only is it an easy tow behind a vehicle like a smart car, a Mini Cooper, any subcompact car, but they are also extremely popular with motorcycle riders. So if you have a motorcycle, you can tow this trailer as long as you got the capabilities, but 330 pounds, 33-pound tongue weight, you have lots of options in the motorcycle or spider world of towing this trailer. Stepping on to the interior of the trailer itself, I always want to mention before I talk about storage on the outside is you can store things on the inside here too. So if you're not getting that storage pod in the front or the undermount storage, you can still store all of your belongings from this mattress up to about this lip here. Plenty of little Rubbermaid containers or storage compartments can all be packed into this nose or into the hole of the trailer. It's a very easy setup. It takes about 2 minutes to set up this trailer, and all it does is, you'll see the photos on our website, is this is a whole clamshell design, so this will fold up and close off the whole trailer, so you still get that storage on the inside, and simply putting down the two stabilizers in the back, folding out the entire top itself, puts it all out. Then all you have to do is grab these little wing nuts here and extend the arms, then you are set up and good to go. On the inside, you're going to have your bed here. You've got a little bit of storage compartment up underneath, which does stow away if you need a little bit more room. You can fold these legs down. That packs away. Flipping over to this side, you do have spots where you can hang. In the Ultimate, you have a little storage compartment, but you can hang your own. If you go to Dollarama or Walmart, you can get little shoe racks. It is a perfect trailer for someone looking for something ultra lightweight, affordable, and they want to get out of a tent and into a trailer. When you're on the outside, you have that undermount storage compartment, as I mentioned, so it goes all the way accessible from either side. And in the nose here, you're going to have your storage compartment. Right now, it's got the vinyl rain fly, which sits on top of the trailer, and some extra little goodies here with it being a brand new unit. So if you want to see all the versatility you can have with an ultra lightweight trailer with these Excel pop-up tent trailers, come on down and check them out indoors and outdoors at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.